Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. I've got a very special truck to show you this afternoon. It's a 2016 Pete triaxle glider kit lowboy truck. If you need something late model, but you don't want the emissions, but you still need a true heavy haul, this is it. It's got a single turbo C15 cat, 18 speed, full double frame, full lockers, wet kit. It's got everything that you need: 20 fronts, 20 drop, 46 rears. It's got 292 on the miles and was just fully overhauled at Cat Platinum Overhaul with 3-year warranty. Got it hot. Let's go ahead and get it fired up, get started, and we'll do a full walk around for you. See the temps up, oil pressure's up. Love the sound of a cat. Can't beat it. This one's got platinum interior, full gauges, super clean on the inside as well. Somebody's really taking care of this one. Got some premium floor mats as well. Minimizers. Body and paint's in excellent condition. Got one little ding on the top of the hood there. Still steering gearboxes. If you need a lowboy truck, but you don't love the 260, 270, 290 inch wheelbases, this one's only a 235, so it'll get in the areas that you need to. It is a short hood, and then a little bit shorter wheelbase, but everything placed in nicely. Has a great look. The hydraulic tank is split here on the passenger side. Kit there, then the steerable drop here. Frame rails look really good. Your fifth wheel plate and your drop axle plate specifically probably need to be repainted, but if you're going to do that, you might as well just do all of it and it would be looking new. You can see that the inside of the frame rails are really clean. There's no fitting. Your 4 rear drives are really good, a lot better than the 4 front drives, but that's easily replaced. Got a nice slide for you there as well. If you like the way this one's set up, if you have any comments, definitely let me know. If you like this truck or need something like it, you can reach me 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. If you need to, we do have a sister truck coming in, exactly the same truck with a red frame. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you.